सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ श्रीमात्रे नमः। हरिः ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ॐ. हरिः ॐ. We are doing Shivananda Lahari. In that they have 100 shlokas written by Adi Shankaracharya. We have done 32 shlokas. Today we are entering into 33rd shloka, 3-3. And this one is also again Leela Smarana. All of them are Leela Smarana, and slowly it will take us to the Tattvam, essential nature of Lord Shiva. Now let us chant together. 33 in mute. Nalamba sakrudeva deva bhavataha sevanatirbhanutihi puja va smaranam katha shravanamapyalokanam madrusham swaminastira devatanusarana kim labhyate ka va muktiritah kuto bhavati chet kim prardhaniyam tada. This is another beautiful shloka. Shankaracharya is giving 7 pointers. All those 7 pointers, isn't it enough to go to get the liberation? Is Nalamba, na alamba, isn't it enough? Oh Lord Shiva. Even if we do once, Sakrut means once. All these 7 pointers all together, once, Sakrut means once. If we do it once, isn't it enough? Why do we need to go and pray other gods? What is the reason people go after other gods? Because you are the supreme one and giver of the liberation. That is the essence of the shloka. And this introduction, we will enter into the shloka. Swamin, that is the Sambodhana. You are the master of everybody, master of all beings. And Devaha. Deva means, again, a lot of meanings are there. You are Deva because you are the self-effulgent one. Devaha means Danat Devaha. Dyotanat